Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to convert this t-shirt into t-shirt yarn. This is a seamless t-shirt. Seamless means we don't have a joint. So first we will cut this bottom part and from this armhole to the next armhole. So now you have got this piece. You can fold them like this. You should not fold them till this end. Fold it like this, 3/4 of the size. So you can cut them for respective sizes till the point where you have folded. Not till the first folded part, till the part where we have folded the second one. So till this point we have to cut. So if your t-shirt is long, you can fold like this. If it is short, instead of folding, you can keep it straight and you can cut from the bottom till the point. So if you see here, we have cut till this point, not till the end. So likewise, we have to cut the full t-shirt. So after cutting them, it looks like this. So for next step, so place it in your hand like this. So we are going to cut them in cross. So from this point to this point, this point to this point, this point to this point, we are going to cut in cross. So you'll get a continuous yarn. So you have to continue this till this end. So now we are in this last part. So now you have got the yarn. Next, take any one end, pull them so it gets folded like yarn. The same way we'll do. So if you see, now you are ready with this beautiful t-shirt yarn. You can use your old t-shirt to make your own yarn. So now we are ready with the t-shirt yarn. So this is how we have to do t-shirt yarn using your old t-shirt. So if you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.